Hello everyone, myself Uzair with my group mates Mohammad Ramzan and Anusha. Our FIP is the development of a RISC-V based system-on-chip architecture using open source tools for FPGA technology and deployment. In this FIP, actually we have made a single board mini computer called SoC. In this SoC, it has its own memory, I/O peripherals, its own processor core. How we do it? We've made a Python code. From that, the code built through the SoCs, next PNR, and at last the bitstream file is generated. That bitstream file that then goes to the FPGAs that are open FPGAs, including iCESugar Pro.
Now we have two parts. First, we write a Python-based script which shows output of SoC, having RISC-V, code processor, and STRAM and other peripherals like UART, I2C, and SPI. Python is converted into VHDL through margin. The margin performs compilation and optimization through the toolchain. The toolchain we have used is Trellis toolchain. Then users generate the netlist file, and after that this netlist file is placed and routed by the next PNR which generate the bitstream file. As we have used iCESugar FPGA Board for the deployment of SoC on LiteX in our project. For that, ECP programmer is used. The bitstream file that is being generated in our design is inside the build directory. We have used ECP programmer to upload bitstream on the FPGA board. Now this is our final SoC in which all the components are being integrated. Now it's time for our second part, which is deploying of Linux on LiteX. For that, we have bootfit file of the Linux so that Linux is being deployed on the FPGA iCESugar board. We have written basic commands in this Linux of making folder and then made a text file inside the Linux.